these are the steps. What are the special cases of solving equations? So when there is no solution, this means that a untrue equation is created. So that might look like 2x equals 2x plus 3. I shouldn't use that, but like more like 2x plus 6 equals 2x plus 3. You minus 2x from both sides, you get 6 equals 3. That's never true. So this means no solution. And then the idea is that you can't use any number possibly to make that equation the same. And then the second one, a type of case that we're going to look at, is when there's infinitely many solutions. So if I were to rewrite that as something like 2x plus 6 equals 2x plus 6, we could subtract the 6 from both sides. We get 2x equals 2x. And then we subtract the 2x from both sides, we get 0 equals 0. This here, we would say the answer is all real numbers. Okay, so here we're going to go over one of the special cases where we have no solution. So we have negative 4 times 2x plus 1 equals negative 8x minus 2. So I'm first going to distribute this negative 4. We have negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 8x minus 2. So now I'm going to add 8x to both sides. And what I do is now have negative 4 equals negative 2. Negative 4 will never equal negative 2. So I'm going to draw that symbol. It means empty set. And there's no solution here. Now here we have what's called infinite cases. Let's work through as if we were just solving a regular equation and see how that looks. So on the right, we have 3 minus 9x minus 8 equals negative 5 minus 9x. 3 minus 8 is negative 5 minus 9x, and then that equals negative 5 minus 9x. So what's going to happen is I'm going to add 5 to both sides. That'll cancel. Then I have negative 9x equals negative 9x. Add 9x to both sides. I get 0 equals 0. What this means is infinitely many solutions are all real numbers. So either works. All right, so let's work through this problem. We have 3 times 2x plus 2 minus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. The right side is simplified, so we're going to have 6x plus 6 minus 3x is 6 plus 3x. 6x minus 3x is going to be 3x, so we have 6 plus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. Then we have 3x equals 3x. 0 equals 0. So our answer is all real numbers. Here we're going to simplify by both sides of the equation. First by distributing. On the left we have 12x minus 36 equals negative 7 times 2. Negative 2 is 49x. And then it's minus 28. So then, sorry, this is supposed to be a 14x minus 28. So we're going to add 36 to both sides. And we're going to, no, we're not going to do that, sorry. We're going to minus 12x from both sides. So we get 2x minus 28 is negative 36. We then add 28 to both sides. And we get that x equals negative 8. Or 2x equals negative 8, so x equals negative 4. All right, so on the left, we're going to distribute the 8. We have 8 times 5 is going to be 40x minus 24 equals 6 times negative 3 is negative 18x minus 24. So then what's going to happen is we add 24 to both sides, and we end up with 40x is negative 18x. So we're going to add 18x to both sides. we get 58x equals 0. Divide both sides by 58. We get x equals 0. So the answer here is 0. It is not no solution. All right, so here we're going to solve for x. So on the left-hand side, we are simplified. On the right, we're going to distribute. So we have 7 times x is 7x plus 14 minus, or we're going to do plus because we're going to make this plus a negative 4. Negative 4x plus 28. And that's going to equal the 3x minus 13 over here. 7x and negative 4x is 3x. 14 and 28 is 42. And that's going to equal 3x minus 13. We're then again going to add the 13 to both sides. No, I'm sorry, we're not going to do that. We're then going to subtract the 3x from both sides. And we get negative 13 is 42. And that's never true, so this is no solution. So after this lesson, you can solve multi-step equations with special cases.